Hey everyone, this is Rajendran here, and in this video I'm going to explain about how to send bulk orders from Excel sheet to multiple brokers using Algomojo platform. That is what I'm going to explain here. So first of all, first thing first, you have to get the API key and API secret key from the broker, from the Algomojo platform. So you have to log into the Algomojo platform, and from there you have to go and get the API key and API secret key. Here I had posted for the two brokers, LS Blue and TradeGenie. So I'm going to the My API section. From there I'm copying the API key and API secret key. So tj.algomojo is for TradeGenie and ab.algomojo is for LS Blue. Even in LS Blue also, I'm going to the My API section and I'm copying the API key and API secret key over here. I'm bringing those credentials into the Excel sheet. I pasted there. Along with that, I also having the broker code as well. AB stands for LS Blue, so it's a short code format, and TJ for TradeGenie. If you are using Zebu or Enrich, ZB is for Zebu and EN is for Enrich. And also you have to put the version as 1.0. So 1.0 is the current default version of Algomojo API, which is currently running on. In future, if it is moving on to the higher version, in that case you have to change. And then strategy name is Excel strategy. I had posted the client ID as well. So if you are having multiple client IDs, you have to bring the multiple client IDs as well as the multiple APIs and multiple secret keys as well. For TradeGenie also I had configured, and I'm going to send orders to the Reliance. So exchange I selected as NSE, and there is a small drop down over there. From there you can go and select the multiple exchanges as well, if you are sending orders to other exchanges like NSE F&O or MCX. So I'm going to send a buy order. So I placed a B over here. B means buy, S for sell, and the product type I'm going to select CNC, that means cash and carry. If you want to send MAS or NRML orders, you can use these order types. And quantity, I'm going to send 200 for LS Blue and 300 quantity of Reliance buy for TradeGenie. And price, right, I'm kept as 0 because I'm going to send a market order. If you are sending a limit order, then you have to fill those price as well. Trigger price is generally required if you are sending an SL limit order or an SL market order. So I'm placing the buy order here. Automatically it asks for a confirmation. So once the confirmation is done, automatically you can see that the output section, you'll be able to see the order number which you receive from the exchange. So with a split second, you'll be able to get the order filled for multiple brokers as well. You can use this tool to send multiple bulk orders for the same account also. For different brokers also, you can use it to send multiple orders. And here I'm just checking in the order book. So you can see that the 200 quantity is reflecting in LS Blue, and in TradeGenie as well. I'm going to the order book. I'm going to check it out. So you can see that the 300 orders are getting reflected in the TradeGenie account as well. So you can also vary the quantity for different accounts according to the positions in the markets. And there is also one more tab here, place BO order. So the place BO order, you have to fill the same API key and API secret key. And here, similar way, one have to fill the trade symbol and then target, stop loss. Here I kept 5-point stop loss and 10-point targets. I'm sending yes over here. I'm sending 100 to LS Blue and 500 quantity to TradeGenie. So let me show you. 500 got punched over here. You can see that. And with LS Blue as well, right? So let me show you in LS Blue as well. I'll go to the LS Blue tab. Click on the order book, and you could see that you could be able to see that 100 quantity got punched in LS Blue as well. So this way we can send multiple bracket orders, multiple cover orders, any kind of orders can be sent using this Algo module. So many people question will be like, can I use to send 5 orders at the same time? Yes, of course you can do that. Can I send orders I have 2 accounts, one account with LS Blue, another account with TradeGenie or with Zebu or with Enrich. Can I send multiple orders to multiple brokers? Of course, yes, in that case also you can use it to send single client also, multiple clients also, multiple broker also. You can send orders from this one single application. I also give you the link, a download link and the installation guidelines in the comment section. So just go and check out the comment section. From there you can download the comment section and you can download it, follow the instructions, and thereby you will be you should be able to send multiple orders to different brokers with a click of a button. Alright, so see you in the next video with more interesting concepts. Thank you once again.